Welcome, Olympic sports fans. We've got perfect weather conditions here today at the mountain as we prepare for the start of big air competition. The U.S. snowboarders are known for medaling in this sport. Yes, they are. Let's quickly catch our fans up on what this sport is all about. Snowboarders launch off a big jump area and complete tricks on their snowboard. They are definitely trying to get a lot of air under them. Riders are going as high as possible and traveling a far distance too, while performing tricks. Watch today for flips, twists, turns, because that's what big air is all about. Don't forget their goal is to stick the landing and stay on their feet. Avoiding wipeouts will be key here for the competitors. Today, we are hoping to see some of the more complex stunts like the frontside 1080, backside 1440, and double corks in the air. Without performing those tricks to perfection today, it will be difficult to medal in these Olympics. They do not have it, so we'll have to get it from a library outside of here, which would maybe come first like on Thursday. So does your book club need to find a different book? Do you need to get Calvin's and have that one checked out for you, and because he said he already read it? Okay, so which library would you go to, though? Okay, do you live in Brown County? No. So then you don't want to do that because then it costs the taxpayers money when she gets it from there. So Mrs. Delver will be back Monday to try to locate it somewhere. So, how far behind do you think you're going to fall, or can you take it for the weekend, one of their copies, and read it, and then bring it back?